For number 7, you might feel tempted to go straight into listing factors of a times c and treating this as a problem where a is greater than 1. However, we notice that 2, 14, and 24 are all divisible by 2, so let's start by taking out a greatest common factor of 2. We'll put a 2 outside parentheses. 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. 14x divided by 2 is 7x. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And now this is really straightforward to factor because the number in front of x squared is equal to 1, meaning that we're now looking for two numbers that add to our b value, 7, and multiply to our c value, 12. So let's list out some factors of 12. We could try 1 and 12. We could try 2 and 6. We could try 3 and 4. It would also work to try -1 times -12, -2 times -6, -3 times -4, because two negatives are going to give us a positive. However, these two negative values are not going to add up to a positive b term. -1 and -12 will not give us a positive number. Neither will -2 and -6. Neither will -3 and -4. So we try our positive values only, our positive factors. 1 plus 12 gives us 13, so we don't want that. 2 plus 6 gives us 8, not quite what we want. 3 plus 4 gives us 7, so that's what we want. And if we draw a box, we'll see that we want x squared and 12. We want 3x and 4x. X squared is always x times x. And then we say x times what gives me 4x? X times 4 gives me 4x. X times what gives 3x? X times 3. And double check. Do our 3x and 4x add to the b value we wanted, 7x? Yes. And do 4 and 3 multiply to our c value, 12? Yes. So we're happy with our work. That means that x squared plus 7x plus 12 can be factored as x plus 4 times x plus 3. But be careful, because you'll see that we have this value of 2 that we factored out. It's outside parentheses, but it didn't go away, so it must be included in our final answer, which is 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 3. So we see that we used our factors, and we also used the 2 that we initially took out. Again, we moved that outside. We did not take it away from the final answer.